This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Farringer. Spacious 4-bedroom home in Bridgewater at Bayside Lakes gated community. Great open floor plan for entertaining. Community pool, situated in a cul-de-sac storage area for recreational vehicles and boats on community premises. Lots of shops in Bayside Lakes plus plenty of room to bike and walk. Across from Bayside High School.NEW ROOF in June 2022. Across from Bayside High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Farringer at 321-308-0374.